Hello guys, welcome to my new video. As you can see, I make friendship bracelets tutorials. Yeah, I haven't given up on it yet. And in this video I'm going to show you my favorite type of single colored triangle ends. Why do I like this so much? So here we have a bracelet which I'm actually finishing right now. I made a loop with a white color, so actually I'm going to finish with the white color as well. I'm going to show you something quite interesting. So here on this left side I'm going to do backward forward knots. So I will take this second string and the white one, and I'm going to do backward forward knot. Now I will take two strings, and now again I will do backward forward knot. So what you can see slowly, and it's quite interesting, or maybe you will see it after this string. So now I will take these three strings and I will do backward forward knot. Maybe it will be visible after this one. Okay, these strings are mixing up there. Okay, that's great. It's still not so visible. I'll take another one, which is a green one, and I will do backward forward knot. Now I will take another one, which is this blue one. So again I will do backward forward knot. And now I will take this last string, which is this purple one, and I will do backward forward knot. So now you can see exactly what I was talking about, and you can actually see these strings here. So this triangle end actually goes this way, it doesn't go by the edge. But what you can do, and actually this will work always 100%, is you will just grab this here at the bottom and you take these strings and you will start to pull them, each string. Great. Okay, I need to pull this purple one again, and as you can see, the triangle end is now by the edge. So that's really fantastic, and that's what I actually really like about it, that you can make it and it doesn't have to touch this edge, and then you actually pull every each of this string and it will come to the edge. So now let's do another side, and here I'm going to do forward backward knots. So I will do forward and backward knot. Now I'll take another one. So I'll have two strings now in my hand, and again forward backward knot. Now we'll take another string and forward backward knot. And now the green one. So I have four strings in my hand. Now forward backward knot. Now I'll take this blue one and forward backward knot. And as you can see, again, I still have one string to go, but as you can see, again, there's this gap here, and I will take the last one and forward backward knot. Backward, and now again you can see that it goes completely into different direction. And how we can correct it is just we will start to pull these other strings here one by one. Sometimes if you see that, maybe as here, you can see this blue one a little bit here and blue one a little bit there. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it's just a tiny bit. What you can do again, you just take this blue and just pull it a bit more. Maybe you can take the blue one from the other side as well. Pull it a little bit more. And now you can see the triangle ends are done, and they're actually nice, close to the edge. And from here I can carry on to make this little tail, and I can add the button. And actually it also looks very nice. I mean, I like it because it has this fancy pattern at the outer edge. And what I really like about it is actually, you know, that I can just do it. I don't need to be really precise about it. I just need to tighten it properly, each knot, and then I will just pull these particular strings, and by pulling those strings it will actually bring this triangle end to the edge, and the same with the other side, and actually it looks good. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you much for watching. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe. It will definitely help the YouTube algorithm. Also, please feel free to watch my other bracelets tutorials videos. Good luck with your bracelet making. Thank you. Bye bye.